guys, welcome back to another video. We are taking the i8 to go get the wheels powder coated. 2023, we're not playing around no more, man. Please like and subscribe. We're gonna keep going hard, man. Go crazy lifestyle, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna push, grind. Yeah, you guys know what I mean. So like I said, we're gonna go drop off the i8 and get the wheels powder coated. Then after that, we plan on wrapping it. We're gonna get some other little stuff done. We're gonna get some one-of-one custom parts for the car, customly made for me, only me. And yes, it's gonna cost me, but hey man, you gotta invest in your business. This is my business that I'm investing in. Boy, is this weather ugly out here in Vegas. It is dark, gloomy, and cold. We're gonna smash over here real quick. We're gonna drop the whip off, and I'm telling you, it's gonna be hard, yo. It's about to be hard. We finna go hard this year, y'all. Believe in yourself, man. That's what you gotta do. You gotta believe in yourself. I believe in myself, man. I don't have a choice but to believe in what I'm doing, and I will make it. I guarantee you. In another year or two, you're gonna be like, damn, man. I'm gonna tell you right now, people that support me, I support you back, you know, and we can grow together. You know what I mean? This is what it's about, man. I create YouTube videos to grow. Go crazy lifestyle, man. That's what it is, man. Like I said, we got hats, beanies, whatever you need, hit me up, man. We're gonna get the website up and going. We're not gonna play around, and this car is playing around with their life because they just jumped in front of a big rig. We're gonna keep smashing over here. What time is it? We got a lot of stuff going on. Uh-oh, got some missed calls from Florida. Man, come on, bro. I don't even know nobody in Florida, man. We getting phone calls from people in Florida. Somebody trying to sell me some crap or steal my identity or something, bro. But yeah, so stay tuned. So we are almost there, and y'all can see the weather here, man. It is not as bad as California, but and we finally getting some rain and stuff, man. It's cool. So we just gonna keep on smashing. See the inside of the i8, man. It's dirty. I gotta clean up in here, but we'll do that after the car get wrapped and all that. And these cars always trying to race me, these damn Teslas, man. Like, always, not them, but them. Guys can see my check engine light, so we'll go to BMW and see what's wrong with it, and hopefully it don't cost me too much money. You know, something like this can be very expensive on this type of car. So obviously we'll do a video on that, and we'll do a video on that. We'll see how much it costs. And guys, look, man, look. Hey, right now is a good time probably to buy an i8. They're getting pretty cheap on the market, even though they're not cheap, but they're reasonable, man. And it's still a supercar. So, you know, some people might think not, but it is a supercar, and it's very super. I like it, man. I'm telling you. Hey, buy it. I promise you. You'll be like, oh, I ain't never got that many head turners in my life. I'm telling you right now, man. So, but all right, we're almost there. All right, so we pulling up here. We about to get this work done, man. They're making it tough to pull up in here. Let's see. We're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut it hard. So yeah, guys, you guys want to get some stuff done in your car, Alloy Wheel Repair Specialist will get it done for you, and you guys will see the end results of the i8 when the wheels get done. So let's go ahead and go inside. So y'all see it now, man. You'll see the difference in a little bit. So as you guys can see, they already have powder coat wheels up in here. Bam. You can come in here and go crazy on your wheels. All right, cool. So you guys can see we already in motion right here. You know what I mean? We in motion. So obviously, when we get done, we are going to take and get those powder coated too and get everything officially done. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna go back here real fast. So it's a little difficult, guys, to get the tires off of these. They had a lot of hard time trying to get the tires off of the wheels, so you know, we just gonna hang in there, man, and things is Gucci, man. You guys, hey, I'm telling you, it's about to be dope, man. The car, the wrap, everything is about to be dope. Seriously, you guys can see what's really happening, you know what I mean? And we're gonna go ahead and go jump in the 6. And I think probably later on for this, I think we probably should, we're gonna get some bigger wheels on here. We'll probably put like 22s or 23s on here, maybe even 24s, probably like 22s. We'll throw some bigger wheels on here. But I think for now, maybe we should get these powder coated too, get some little things, get a little spoiler right here. I think it'll be pretty sick. And you know what I mean? We're gonna keep pushing hard, man. This thing is dirty just like the other car. As y'all can see, it don't look too much different from the i8 on the inside. Hold on one second. Let's go. All right, so let's get out of here. Oh, man. Got little sleepies in the eyes. Tired, man. So, where we at right now, guys, is we going to, I was hoping to be able in this video to drop this whole thing, but it's going to be a part 2, guys. They're having issues getting the tires off, and it's delaying a little bit of the time, but they're going to have it done. They will have it done Thursday, so the Friday's video will be dropping, guys, and you will see the car completely done as far as the wheels being powder coated. And then after that, we'll take the car, and we also got to get the calipers powder coated too, so we'll get that done next and get some new stickers made for the car. And then after that, we're going to go to the wrap shop. So guys, please, 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 pretty please, 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 please. No, I ain't got to beg, but you know what I mean? I'm not going to beg, but hey guys, please. Did I say please again? All right, guys. So please subscribe to the channel. I'm telling you right now. Yeah, it's a 9.8, but it's still a dope whip, man. Like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends. Because, like I said, it's about to be dope, man. The wheels is only the beginning. The wheels is only the beginning. And you know, it's crazy how the weather clears up so fast. So we're gonna go grab some food real quick, and we catch you guys Friday in the next video. Stay tuned. Get your popcorn ready, get your food ready, get your drink ready, because it's about to be a good one, y'all. See y'all.